Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can disable or enable the spell check for websites you visit through the Opera web browser really quickly. So with that in mind, drop a like, and now let us jump right into it. So launch Opera on your computer, be it PC or laptop, and all you need to do is access your browser settings. The fastest way to do that would be to simply use the shortcut Alt-P on your keyboard. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, simply use the search bar here at the top and type in, for instance, spell check. So let me type in spell, for instance, and after that you will see the search results below. So use spell check for, we'll see use spell check for. You will be given the opportunity to select the language you would like to apply the spell check for, and to turn off the spell check in general, simply make sure that this option here at the top, check for spelling errors when you type text on web pages, is turned off here to the right. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you turn off the spell check in Opera really quickly. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.